Here's how you can sign on just an extra 30 to 60 clients in these next 30 days.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
And it doesn't require paid ads, doesn't require organic outreach, and it doesn't even require you to even send a video, send a Loom, cold call, nothing. You're going to use your current clientele to get you more clients predictably in these next 30 days, okay? If you have 30 clients right now who are dedicated, who are paying every single month, who are what we call our winning clients, people who will always live and die with us, right? If you take those 30 clients right now and you contact every single one of them, you say, hey, listen, you've been with us for X amount of months, X amount of years. I just want you to put me in 5 group chats with 5 business owners that you know personally that would benefit from our services, that you know are ready to buy today, right? And they make those 5 group chats. Now think about this. 30 clients times 5 is 150 group chats, right? If you can't close at least 50% of those group chats, then you're not good at sales, right? It's really hard not to close a warm lead who's a referral. So you have 150 chats, let's say on the low end, right? You close every 2 out of the 5. That's what, 40%? So if you close around 60 people, you can close 60 new clients just by doing this referral system. I have so many group chats on my phone right now of me doing this exact same system where I say to the client, like I said, hey, you've been with us X amount of months, I just want to be able to get more people and help them like we helped you. If you have 5 friends right now who are ready to buy, who would benefit from our service, that would vouch for us if you put in a good word, make a group chat, through iMessage, and then I'll take it from there. Just do the introduction, I'll take it from there. I don't want to blow up your phone, whatnot, but I just want to get more people in my ecosystem who can get the same exact results or maybe even better results than you have, and help people change their lives. So get the group chats and you're just hammering through, asking questions, maybe scheduling calls. Like there's a lot of sales calls that you could book from 150 group chats or 150 people being able to talk. Like that's a lot of scalability. Out of those 150, if they're warm, you should be able to book over 70 of them. And then, even if you can close them just through chat, you should be able to get 45 to 60 new clients from those 150 referrals. So I hope this video kind of gave you some, I guess you could say, some enlightenment on what you're currently not doing and how you're just trying to maybe spend money on ads, more outreach, more of the hard work instead of the smart work. And that's how I've been able to onboard, 45 extra to 60 extra clients every single month just by this method. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped